Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Instagram inbox cleaner and more private, especially from unwanted or custom message requests, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest method for hiding custom message requests on the Instagram app using your PC, following the newest update. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're on the main page, take a look at the left side menu. Here, you'll see several icons. Find the one labeled More. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots stacked together. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear with more options. Next, from the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your Instagram preferences and privacy controls. Here's where you can really take control of your messaging experience. Inside the settings, look for the section called Hidden Words. Click on it. This is a powerful feature that Instagram provides to help you filter out unwanted content and messages, making your experience much more pleasant. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Hide Message Requests, specifically under the section for custom words for messages and comments. This is the key step. Enable this setting by toggling the switch. Once it's turned on, Instagram will automatically filter out message requests that contain your custom words or phrases, sending them to a hidden folder instead of your main inbox. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've now set up your Instagram account to hide custom message requests on your PC. This simple change will help you enjoy a more organized inbox and a more peaceful Instagram experience. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips to make your social media experience even better. Enjoy your cleaner, safer Instagram.